Good morning, guys. I just want to share my challenges today. One of my medical condition that I experienced is trigger finger. As you can see, my ring finger is locked. I cannot stretch it. Only my left finger is locked. So what happens is that the belt is swelling somewhere here. One of the belts that holds the cartilages is swelling, and it's supposed to smoothly go through in and out of the belt, but since it's swelling, it's not able to move properly. So this is the effect now. I cannot move my finger. And I just wanted to give a background for non-Filipinos or non-Tagalog speaking people. So mga kaibigan, ang tawag dito trigger finger. Meron litid yan, nagpapagalaw sa daliri natin. Ang nangyayari dyan, namaga yung litid at saka merong belt which keeps it in place. May belt yan, bawat joint may belt yan para hawakan yung litid. Yung litid bumababa, labas, baba, akyat, no? Kapag ginagalaw natin yung daliri. So anong nangyari dito, na maga yung belt, both yung belt at saka yung litid, at nahirapan siyang dumaan doon sa belt, yung litid, no? So yan, di ko siya di ko siya diretso. Nakalak na yan. Pwede kong pilitin pero masakit. So no choice ako kung kailan. Tuwing umaga, pag matagal ko siyang hindi nagagalaw, kailangan kong matulog, matagal siyang hindi gagalaw, ayan, mas lalong lumalala at mas mahirap siyang galawin. Parang mas lalong namamaga siya kapag di mo ginagalaw. Pero the more na ginagalaw mo siya, mas lubricant siya, mas madali siyang igalaw, no? The more ginagamit mo siya, hindi siya naninigas. So anong cause nito? I researched anything that na related sa trabaho mo. Kung ano man yung trabaho mo, nagmamasa ka ng tinapay or karpintero ka, pwede mangyari sa'yo that in some way, halimbawa kakatrabaho mo somewhere here dito sa palm, palaging napipress, nadadamage, na injury. So, ako naman palaging nagluluto. So, yung hawakan, yung pinaka-sensei, yung hawakan ng lutuan, isa yun sa puwersado kong, kasi kaliwete ako, puwersado akong I think na pe-press dito. All of a sudden, when I woke up in the morning, this happened already. Ganito na yung condition niya. So, I think I got this from my cooking. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I think. The cause, according to the doctor, I already had my checkup with the doctor. The doctor told me that it can be cause of several things. Any repeated action or work, including non-working. And if you're not using your hand, it could be possibly the cause. So, medyo complicated yung reason, no? Pwede daw na pag hindi mo siya ginagamit or sobrang ginagamit. In my case, palagi ko siya ginagamit kasi kaliwete ako. Actually, I'm PWD. My right hand is not used that much. I have disability on my right shoulder. So, yeah. Kaya most of the time, ito yung ginagamit ko sa yung left hand ko for cooking, using my computer, playing games, or coding, or any work on the computer. I'm always using my hand. I also love taking care of the plants. That's why meron akong kalamansi. Ito, piniprepare ko na itong mga paso. Yan. Para dito sa sili. Yan. Kumpul-kumpul yung sili ko. I have a lot of chili peppers plants. I'm gonna put them separately. So, aside from that, I'm cooking. So, I think one of those triggered or caused this trigger finger. Yeah. So that's my challenges right now. Nagre-relieve siya kapag nag-cold compress ako. Sinubukan ko na mag-cold compress, sinubukan ko na mag-hot compress. More effective sa akin yung cold compress. I saw in YouTube channels how to treat trigger fingers. There's a lot suggested to massage it. I tried that massaging. Actually doesn't help. I've undergone medical treatment. The doctor gave me this medicine. I cannot find the medicine anymore, but it's for anti-inflammation. It did work. I have to take it twice a day for 1 week, and then I have to do cold compress or hot compress 3 times a day for 2 weeks. Nothing, no improvement, just the same. Okay, so when I saw the doctor, he told me the best solution is to cut a little bit in this location and release the belt over here. Kasi yung belt na yan, once na-release yun, parang ganito yan. Ito yung litid. No? Kailangan ma-release yung belt para pwede na yung litid makadaan. So, dahil masyadong namamaga yung litid, yung belt, hindi siya makadaloy, no? Smooth. So, yun yung problem, no? Yung belt dito dapat ma-release. Somewhere here. So, yung operation, kakat yan, and then yung belt, puputulin yan. I don't know exactly how it looks like, but that's how the doctor explained it. Once na-release na yung belt, maka-move na yung litid. Now, nakaschedule ako in 3 days from now. It's gonna be Thursday in the morning at MCI. Dr. De Vera, ortho. He's an ortho doctor. I am trying to move. I have to force. Yeah, pinipuwersa ko siya may straight. Ayun. Na-straight ko. Pero at sakit. Oh my God. Every morning I have to go through this process. Konting massage para ma-relieve yung pain. May isa pang sinasuggest yung doctor. May injection. Actually, it's just pain reliever daw, sabi niya. Hindi raw gagaling yung locking trigger finger. Hindi lang siya magiging masakit, di ko mararamdaman yung sakit kapag sakit. If I try to twist back, masakit na naman kasi hindi siya makabalik, no? So palagi ang may weakness sa grip ako nararamdaman. Especially kapag umaga na galing sa tulog, di gumagalaw yung daliri. Pero maya-maya, magiging okay na yan. Hindi naman totally 100%. Nagagalaw ko na siya, pero ganun pa din. May weakness sa grip, may locking pa din siya. Pero mas less na yung friction kapag palagi ko nang ginagalaw the entire day. Since gumagalaw na ako, nagluluto na ako ulit, nagko-code na ako, yung usual work, magdidilig ng halaman. Okay na uli siya. Gagalaw ko na uli siya. I can work again through the day as long as it keeps on moving. Yeah. So hopefully, tinanong ko naman yung doctor, since this is the first time I'm going to have this operation, first time ko rin na-experience tong trigger finger. I'm so worried na paano yun pag na-release na yung belt. Baka magkaroon ng side effect. Kaya ko pa ba gawin yung mga ginagawa ko? Mababawasan ba yung strength ng hand ko? Yung grip? Will it have any after effect after the operation? Sabi ng doctor, 100% daw yung success rate ng mga trigger finger operation. It's very common and it's very easy to treat. Actually, 10 minutes lang daw yung operation. Slice, cut, and then tatahiin. So, depende sa laki ng tahi. So, 2 tahi lang yan. And then you just have to go through 2 weeks of avoiding it to getting wet para matuyo ka agad. 2 weeks na pagpapagaling. Nga, makagalaw ka pa rin, pero hindi masyadong, o kung masyadong itatrabaho, baka mapunit yung tahi, no? Siyempre. So for the meantime, mga light work lang. I think computer, you can type into the computer, pwede. Pero hindi ka pwede magbuhat ng mabigat, hindi mo pwedeng basain. Ayun, in a week, magaling na siya, pero fully healed na siya, including internally. In just 2 weeks, balik na uli sa regular work, 100%. That's what the doctor said, no? In just 2 weeks. After the operation, you're 100% without any locking. Wala na yung locking. It's all gone. You can move your fingers easily again. And then, sabi ko, Doc, bakit po ba meron tayong mga belt dyan? Bakit hindi na lang ginawa ng Diyos, release lahat ng belt dyan? So, actually, the main purpose ng belt daw is to align yung litid natin para palagi siyang naka-align, no? Kada daliri kasi may kanya-kanyang litid yan. So, yung belt is the one that aligns yung litid. Parang sa call this yung sa bubong ang tawag doon. So, may mga belt to hold yung water spout. Yan, ito yung water spout. Tapos makikita nyo may mga belt to hold them properly. So, yun yung reason. And then, kung ano man yung madamage dyan, yung belt dito, pwedeng i-release yan kasi may mga ibang belt pa dyan that still aligns. Magkakaroon ng problem yan kung wala ka ng belt na nag-a-align dun sa litid. Baka pumunta na yung litid mo sa gilid. Delikado. But he's never worried. Very common daw. Since ginagamit natin yung palm for working, very common, trigger finger ang nadadamage yung litid dito. Especially the ring finger. Itong pinaka-common dito. When I research in the internet, trigger finger is more common to women at the age of mga middle-aged woman and up. But actually, it can happen, according to the doctor, it's also very common to man, since man are mostly the one working. So it really depends. Whoever has a very busy hand can be prone to getting trigger finger. I'm not sure kung anong tawag sa trigger finger in Tagalog, no? So yung cousin ko, iba naman yung na experience niya, no? Yung dalawang daliri niya, actually yung ring and what they call this, yung hinliliit, no? Parehas naninigas. Walang locking, pero kakaroon ng weakness, and then may static. So kahit saan siya dumikit sa ibang skin, sa metal, nagkakaroon ng electricity, static. So nanghihina to. Nanghihina na yung dalawa. Yun pala, hindi iba yung case niya. Akala ko trigger finger din. Pero iba yung case niya. May static lang yung katawan niya. Nasanay na siya. Nung una, nahirapan siya, naka-effect na sa trabaho niya. Pero tapos nanigas siya na parang hindi niya maigalaw, nakaganyan lang kamay niya. Tapos etong tatlo yung pinanta-type niya. Later on, nasanay na rin siya. So pinilit niya galawin. Walang lacking na experience. Iba naman pala yung case niya. So may mga ganong tao, no? May static electricity sa katawan. Alam niyo yun, yung pag napadikit sa ibang tao, bzzzt. Yeah, so anyway, na-share ko lang sa inyo in case may ma-experience kayo na trigger finger tool sa akin. Di ko siya maidiretso, no? Yung trigger finger. Di ko mailiko. Lock. Yan. Yan, nakalak na naman siya. Di ko maidiretso. Pak! So, lalagyan na yung belt, naglalak. Kailangan maigalaw ko siya tuwing umaga para mabawasan yung locking. Aray ko. Okay, see you guys. Let me know in the comments kung naranasan nyo rin to. Ano yung nag-experience nyo. I will let you know, guys, an update once nagkaroon na ako ng operation, after the operation. Thank you and have a nice day. God bless.